Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying rice water on my hair for the first time. So here you just see me adding my rice to a bowl, and then I'm just going to add some water and switch the rice around to get rid of any of the dirt and impurities that may be on there, because you don't want to put all of that in your hair. And guys, this is such an easy DIY hair treatment because you basically only need rice and water and a container with a lid. So I used 1 cup of rice, which for me was honestly too much rice. And next time I will probably use about half a cup of rice instead. And then I added about 1.5 cups of water, and I wanted to let my rice water ferment, so I let it sit overnight. Well, actually, I let it sit about 36 hours at room temperature. And I had been looking at videos, and people were saying that the rice has a awful smell, and it really does. But I didn't have any lavender oil or peppermint oil to put in it, so I just had to rock with the smell. So right here you see me, I'm just trying to filter the water into my cup, and really I was just being too extra. That coffee filter did not work at all. It was like draining really slow. So I just got out my colander and used that because I don't have a mesh strainer, but it worked perfectly fine. So I had watched quite a few videos, and I decided that the best way for me to use the rice water would be to put it up under my deep conditioner. So I decided to try rice water treatments because I've had a lot of postpartum shedding. I've lost hair around my edges, and I also have a lot of breakage. Noticed that my hair has been extremely dry as well, and I don't know if some of that is because of the hormones from having the baby, but I do know that I have not been taking care of my hair like I need to. I go weeks without moisturizing it and just wearing wigs and just being lazy, really. And we all know that dryness is like kryptonite to natural hair. So I was considering whether I should just cut it off and start all over again, which is what I did actually a year ago after my first child turned 1, because my hair was like that after I had her as well. But I decided instead of cutting it again that I would try to save my hair. So I started doing some research, and then I found a lot of videos on YouTube about rice water. And some of the benefits of rice water are supposed to be it makes the hair smoother and more shiny. It makes the hair stronger, and it helps make detangling easier. Also, people have said that it thickened their hair and it also helped their hair grow. I don't know if that's true, and I'm not really using it for the hair growth. I'm just using it and hope that I find something that stops the breakage. If it makes my hair grow longer and if it gets thicker, because my hair is really thin, that's a bonus and I'll take it. But this treatment, I probably plan on doing it about once a month. Okay, so the way that I use the rice water is I started out by shampooing my hair, and then I took my rice water and saturated my whole head with it really well. I paid special attention to the crown of my head because my hair seems to be really weak at the top of my hair and breaks easily. And instead of rinsing it out, I just put my deep conditioner on top of that. And if you're going to deep condition, try to use a protein-free deep conditioner because you don't want to get too much protein, just in case you're protein sensitive. But I'm just showing you some of the breakage that I have, and it's really hard to retain length when you have breakage like that. And so I noticed right away that my hair felt soft and it was easier to detangle. And I'm just looking at where I lost my hair around the edges, and it's actually starting to fill in some, which I'm happy about. But I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my hair in a plastic bag, and I don't have a sit up under hair dryer, so I had to improvise and use my blow dryer just to heat up my hair. And then I'm just going to wrap it in a towel and deep condition for about 30 minutes and style as usual. Like I said, the immediate benefits was my hair seemed softer and more manageable, and it was easier to detangle. But go ahead and be sure that you subscribe so that you can see my updates on how my hair is going with the rice water. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.